Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to compare two top-notch Wi-Fi systems from Google, the Google Wi-Fi System and Google Wi-Fi. We'll break down their features and functionality and help you decide which one is right for your home. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Both Google Wi-Fi System and Google Wi-Fi provide reliable coverage to ensure speedy connection in every corner of your home. But Google Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with its flexible mesh network technology that works intelligently to keep your Wi-Fi spot on with no buffering issues. Both systems have a simple app-based setup which makes installation easy and quick. However, Google Wi-Fi couldn't be simpler. Using the Google Home app, you can create your network and get online in minutes. Both products offer parental controls to manage screen time, restrict certain kind of content, and pause Wi-Fi to specific devices. However, Google Wi-Fi clearly takes the lead with its ability to prioritize devices and check your network speeds. Both systems are sleek and aesthetically pleasing. However, Google Wi-Fi has taken a step towards being more eco-friendly by using 49% recycled plastic in its 2020 model. With Google Wi-Fi System's price of $44, it's definitely a great budget-friendly option, but if you want the more features, better management, and coverage, Google Wi-Fi's $99 is worth the investment. So that's our comparison of Google Wi-Fi System and Google Wi-Fi. Both are great products, but clearly Google Wi-Fi is the more advanced option that offers more features for a higher price. If you're looking for reliable coverage with great speed and features, Google Wi-Fi is the way to go. We hope our video helped you to make the right choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech reviews.